I don't ever want to see you again. I don't want you to call me on the telephone. I hate your car. I hate your hair. I hate the way you're dressed. I hate absolutely everything about you. Get out of here. Okay. Off he went. So this was a key target that he was supposed to call on. So, of course, he did what a good salesperson would do. He didn't call on him, but he wrote a bogus call report, right? I went to see him on this day, and da-da-da-da. This went on for about a year and a half until the president or the vice president said, I want to make calls with you. Here's the 4 people I want to see. Guess which target was number 1? This guy. So my friend calls me up on the phone. He goes, Mike, he says, I've been writing these call reports, and he says, you know, this guy told me he's going to shoot me if I go in there. But, you know, I mean, I said, Frank, you got to call. I said, you have got to call. You've got to find out. So he calls up the guy in the office, and he gets the receptionist, said, I'd like to talk to Johnny Johnson. And the receptionist says, I'm sorry, Mr. Johnson's been dead for a year. He says, I've been writing call reports on a dead man. Right? Because he was afraid to go back.